Boom, what's up everybody? My name is Kim Scogwell, and today we're going to be taking a look at how you can borrow or steal color grades from your favorite image or movie. And we're going to do this really simple, and we're going to use Affinity Photo. It's a really cool trick and an easy trick to alter your own image to make it look like your favorite images or movies. And there's not a whole lot to it. We're just going to get to it. And remember, if you like this tutorial, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Leave some comments down below on what you'd like to see next. And we'll just jump right in. So here we are inside Affinity Photo, and I'm going to show you how you can easily borrow color grades from your favorite photos or movies. And it's really simple and easy to do, and this is not going to be the best example, but I have this old picture of me here, and let's say I like this photo here, the color grade on it, and you can see they don't really have too much in common. A lot of orange sunset, there's a green and stuff, but we're gonna see if we can make it work. So the first thing you want to do when you have your photo you want to color grade it is you want to go up to your swatches here. So now if you don't see the swatches, again go up to view, studio, and down to swatches, and you're gonna get them up here. So you go up here to those little lines, you go down here to create palette from image, go here, select image, and then you want to choose the image you like, and then you can hit create, and you can see we get 5 color palettes here, and you can choose to have up to 256 or just 3. So I'm gonna take 4 just because I'm gonna show you how you can add 1 extra, or let's do 5. You can add 2 extra because we're gonna steal this color grade or borrow it using the gradient map. So now you hit create. Now you can see we have those color swatches up here. So we have highlight, less highlight, less highlight, less, and then shadows. So these are the 2 shadows. These are sort of midtones, and that is highlight. Now we're going to go in here to our gradient map, and we can see here we have 3 dots already, and red, green, and blue. So red represents shadows, green represents midtones, and blue represents highlights. So you can see there's not a whole lot of highlight in this image, but we're going to try this out anyhow. This is going to be my shadow color, and then I'm going to go to this one, that one, that one, and that one. So what you want to do, you just click the red one, mark it, click the red one more time, you go up to the eyedropper tool, you click and hold, drag it up to this color, which is going to be your shadow color, and now you press the color circle next to it, and we're going to add in the middle one. So you just go in the middle, you double click, you click on it again, so this is just repetitive work. We're going to go up here, and we're going to choose this color now because that is lighter than this one. Okay, and now we're going to take the middle one, do the same thing again. This is a 5-step process. So we're going to choose this color, click it, go down here and click the middle again, go back down, as we're just going to continue doing this until we have all 5 in our gradient map here. I gotta do that again because I lost it. So we're gonna go up here, and that is our color, and then we're just gonna click out. So you can see this doesn't look really good, then the original image looks better. But what you can do now is you go in here to your blend modes and just click through them, and you can see what you like. I find that usually overlay and soft light is the best ones. and we just scroll through them and have a look. That's kind of funky. And that's our puppy, Fenris. Now we're gonna go back up here to soft light, and we can see it changed the overall look of the image. And if you think this is too much, you can always go over here to opacity and just drag it down to what you like. And that's a very easy way to color grade your image from your favorite photo or movie. I hope you like it. If you do, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and let me know in the comments below what you want to see next.